Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Steam. There was a problem processing your request. An error was encountered. Alright, let's begin. The first method is to fully close Steam. Look at the bottom right of your taskbar and click the arrow to open hidden icons. If Steam is running, right-click on it and select Exit Steam. This ensures it is completely closed. After that, relaunch Steam and check if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, check your VPN connections. Open the search bar and type VPN settings, then open it. If you have any active VPN connections, remove them and try launching Steam again. Another method involves clearing Steam's cache. First, make sure Steam is closed. Then open the search bar and type %localappdata% and press enter. In the folder that opens, scroll down and find the Steam folder. Open it, go to HTML cache, then cache data, and delete everything inside. You can press Ctrl-A to select all files and delete them. After clearing the cache, reopen Steam and see if the issue is fixed. These steps usually resolve the error and let you access Steam without further problems. So that's basically how you can fix Steam. There was a problem processing your request. An error was encountered. That's it for this video. Thanks.